We are going to discuss how to solve density problems. So the first thing is remembering the formula. Density equals mass divided by volume. Volume is going to usually be in milliliters. Mass is going to be in grams. And this is also discussed in the notes for the chapter. So this first problem down here is asking us to solve for volume. When we solve for volume, our formula is going to have to be changed. So this time, volume equals mass divided by density. So we know that our volume is what we want to find. So let's go to the original formula. Okay, we have 3 grams over milliliters for density, and that's going to equal 15 grams for mass over x, because we're solving for volume. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the x over to the other side, so 3x equals 15 grams. So what is x? X equals 5. So our volume is 5 milliliters. Now this next one is solving for mass. When we solve for mass, it is going to be mass equals density times volume. So here we know our density is 3 grams over milliliters. We are looking for mass, which is now x, and we know that we have 10 milliliters for our volume. So now we're solving for the mass, so that's going to be x equals density times volume. So mass is now 30 grams. So there's a thing called a density triangle that you can see right now on the screen. The density triangle is divided into 3 areas. The top point is mass, the bottom left is density, and the bottom right is volume. So this is representing the formula. So what we need to know is, how does this triangle help us remember the formula? So what goes right here is a division symbol. That division symbol goes right above density, between density and mass. Another division symbol goes right above volume, between volume and mass. And then between density and volume, you're going to have a multiplication symbol, an x. So what happens if you are looking at this and you want to solve for density? What you're going to do is you're going to cover up the d. So if we hid the density symbol, all we have left is mass over volume, and what do you do there? You divide mass by volume. Hey, but if we were trying to figure out what mass was, we would cross out mass. Mass is in the top, so then all that's left is density and volume, and we'll see that I have that multiplication symbol between density and volume. And then last, we have to be able to find volume. So if I cover up volume, what I have is mass divided by density, because mass is in the top and density is in the bottom. So this is just a little silly trick to help you remember the formulas for density, whether you're figuring out density, mass, or volume.